Hi 11 plus students, in this video I'm just going to mention you like 7 common mistakes which 11 plus students make while preparing themselves for the 11 plus exam. Number 1 mistake is they over rely on past papers. Do not just do the past papers. Remember, this is very important. Do not over rely on them, right? So this is very important. You need to know the full content as well. Second thing, which is very important, is you need to know the full curriculum of 11 plus exam, right? If you don't know what the full curriculum of the 11 plus exam is, you can let me know. I can send you the full curriculum. So, but this is very important that you need to know the full curriculum of the 11 plus exam. Number 3, you know, when you are doing practice papers, most of the time students are very inconsistent in doing the practice papers. So please remember, you need to be regular in practice papers, right? I would say try to do at least one practice paper every day. Number 4th mistake, which is very important, is like students make it quite regularly. They just focus on one particular subject and then they forget about the other subject. So remember, if you are focused just on math, you need to remember that you need to focus on non-verbal reasoning, English, maths, and verbal reasoning as well. So all the subjects are very important. Another very common mistake which students make is that is misreading the question. So what they do, they do not read the question properly and just start attempting it. Do not do that, right? So read the question properly. If you don't understand it, read it 2 times, read it 3 times, especially when it comes to the worded questions, right? Read the worded question at least 2 or 3 times and then start doing that question, right? Another thing which is very important, and I think lots of students struggle with that is the time management. Time management is very important. So whenever you are doing practice papers at home, I would suggest you always time yourself, right? Always time. So you need to be really good in time management as well. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please press the like button and press the follow button as well. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.